How is a chair preventing ocean plastic pollution? To answer that question, we start here, along the coast of Chile. Plastic is accumulating in our oceans at an alarming rate, and leading ocean scientists are predicting more plastic than fish will inhabit our oceans by 2050. The impacts of which are strangling a fragile underwater ecosystem. Yet more than 1 billion people rely on fish as their main source of protein, and the fishing industry provides income for millions of families. Fishermen rely on nets made from plastic to meet this need. That's why Humanscale teamed up with Bureo. Bureo is working directly with fishermen across the coast of Chile to create a positive solution through the collection and recycling of fishing nets at the end of their life. So these once burdensome materials can be transformed into new, responsible products. Supporting the continued growth of Bureo's recycling program, Humanscale is utilizing Net Plus materials to change the way products are made. Introducing the Smart Ocean Chair, incorporating almost 2 pounds of discarded fishing nets. This is just the start. Humanscale is creating solutions for a net positive impact for our oceans.